Hey y'all, it's Day or De La Soul, and today I'm going to be telling you guys about one of my favorite wash day routines. And why is it my favorite? Because I can get through it so quickly. And the products I'm using today are TreLuxe. They are a black owned product. You can find them at Walmart, and they are in Walgreens as well, but they recently just launched in Walmart, so you gotta go show them some support. So as the title says, this is a game-changing routine for me because my wash days can take a really long time, and this just chops it right in half. Go ahead, get ready for this tutorial. It's gonna be a good quick one. So I've already shampooed my hair, and I use the Curl, Renew, and Restore shampoo by TreLuxe. This is a gentle cleanser. It has a lot of slip. So if you are a co-wash type of natural and you want to switch over to a shampoo, this will be a nice transition because it is really moisturized and it's really gentle. It's not going to strip your hair. As you guys can see, I don't have any product on my hair. It doesn't look dried out. Period. My hair is really soft. I have curls coming on right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump into one of my favorite products of 2020, and it's probably gonna be one of my favorite products of 2021 because I cannot not see me using this product. So before I even hop into this tutorial, I want to give you guys a disclaimer. I do not recommend leaving deep conditioners in your hair overnight or for long periods of time. If it says to rinse a product out, I feel like you should rinse that product out because you just don't know what it's gonna do to your strands as it's sitting in there. So I know that a lot of us do like to deep condition overnight, or they love the deep conditioning feeling so much that they do not like to rinse it out. And I feel like I found a cheat for that in the leave-in conditioner in this collection where it's safe to leave it in, but you get those deep conditioning effects. So this is it. This is the Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner out of the TreLuxe collection. And on the bottle, it just has the directions for you to use it as a normal leave-in conditioner. You wash your hair, then you can go ahead and apply it from roots to ends. However, it says that for more advanced styling options, visit the discovertreluxe.com website. Y'all know me. I went and looked at the website one day, and I saw that it recommends that you can apply it while you're in the shower. Go ahead, as if you're deep conditioning, apply it in the shower, coat your whole head, let the steam kind of hit it, let it penetrate and sit. Then it says you can rinse it and apply some more. So me being me, the lazy person that I am, like the shortcut, I was like, well, let me apply it in the shower because I can wash my hair in the shower now since my color is about grown out. I was like, let me apply it in the shower and not rinse it and see what happens. And y'all, it really felt like I deep conditioned my hair. Like, it literally felt like a deep conditioner, and I did not have to rinse it out. So I just shampooed my hair. I'm about to go through now and apply it. As you guys can see, it's a nice, like, creamy, almost like a lotion consistency. I don't need to apply a whole lot to get it to fully coat my hair. And what I love about it, as y'all see, it just like instantly softens my hair. So what I'm able to get out of this product is basically a leave-in conditioner, a detangler, a deep conditioner, all in one step. So that significantly cuts my wash day down because I normally shampoo, I have to apply my deep conditioner, leave it on for about 30 minutes, then I need to detangle, then I need to rinse it, then I'm gonna apply my leave-in conditioner, then I need to detangle that because I rinsed my hair and it got a little tangled. I just get to cut all of that out, jump straight to conditioning and leave-in conditioner all in one step. And I love the fact that this absorbs really fast. It doesn't leave like that white coat and film on my hair. It just absorbs really fast. Like by the time I go to the next side of my head, even this spot right here that you guys see is gonna be fully absorbed. So I've been using this product since the middle of last year, like consistently. You guys know I took a little break from YouTube and I've been protective styling and getting my hair ready to go ahead, and I'm gonna color my hair again. Yes, I'm going to color my hair again. So I've been getting ready for that, and this is what I've been using in the meantime just to have like a low maintenance routine between my protective styles. So what's so special about this leave-in conditioner, besides the fact that I can do all that stuff with it, as far as like the ingredients, it does have tomato extract in it, and that's different. I have not seen many brands use like actual vegetables. We get like fruits, nuts, flowers, and whatnot, but not actual vegetables. It also has broccoli seed in it, and it also has olive oil in it, which I'm really not a huge fan of olive oil, but it works for my hair in this product. And all of that together helps kind of boost the elasticity. It helps with locking in moisture as well as getting moisture in. So that's the biggest thing with these products. I really feel like they actually penetrate my hair strand instead of sitting there and I have to wait for the heat to hit it, because I have low porosity hair, which means that moisture is hard to absorb on top of my hair. I usually have to apply heat. I don't feel like I necessarily need heat for these products to absorb. They just really absorb well and get to the cortex of my hair and lock in that moisture. And I love the fact that it's lightweight as well, because I have medium to thick density hair. However, my strands are fine, and sometimes heavy products just sit on my hair. It ruins my volume, it takes away my elasticity, it gets hard. However, this is a really lightweight formula, but it's so concentrated and it's so powerful. It's definitely a game changer and a must try, just to see if you can get this to help you skip over deep conditioning sometimes. I'm not saying completely replace deep conditioning out of your routine with this, because we still need to deep condition, but I've been able to cheat some wash days with this. I try not to make it a habit, but I've definitely been able to cheat wash days with this. I also want to add that every single time I've used these products, my moisture lasted until I wash my hair. Whether it was a week or 2 weeks, the moisture did not go anywhere when I use this leave-in conditioner. And it works really well with other brands. I've had no flaking, no issues with this leave-in conditioner pairing with different stuff at all. So in the past, I've used it with the Curl Supreme cream out of this collection, and I've also used it with the high definition gel, and no flaking. It did not weigh my hair down. So it's a nice flexible product. Today I'm going to be using the Curl Supreme cream, and I may add a little bit of that high definition gel because I'm going to be doing a twist and curl, and those don't give me as much definition. So we'll see how I go along. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do yet. So I went ahead and used the high definition gel and the hydrating curl cream, and I just wanted to have a stronger hold, like a nice little firmness, a little hard to my hold that gel can give. So the 4-in-1 hydrating cream, it strengthens hair, it protects hair, it is a hydrator, and it's also a styler. So I use that, and then I also use the curl enhancing high definition gel. And this gives it's a nice flexible gel that does not give a cast. You can do a wash and go with this and get nice soft coils or curls or waves, however your texture is, without getting that hard cast. And I just felt like they blended it really well together. It didn't like get all chalky and beady in my hair or on my hands, so I just went with it. So first, I just apply a little bit of the gel, like literally a little bit of the gel. So everything about this collection is so like slippery, like your hands just always glide through. Then I apply a moderate amount of the curl cream. Go through. Look at that. Coils popping. Coils popping. My next video with these products, I'm going to show you guys a wash and go with them. Now it's time to do the twist. And when I get about, I would say 2/3 of the way down, maybe a little more, I go ahead and apply my rod. And I'm doing the coil down method this time. And the trick to that is you just pull your hair and have your hand slide as you wrap. And then quickly, I don't know what to call this motion, you just kind of like press and twist the ends in so they do not unravel. Take your rod, make sure it goes over, see that? It goes over the actual twist. And voila, that is my twist and curl. Okay, y'all, so this is the final results, and I wasn't expecting nothing but amazingness from these products anyway. But for you guys, here are the final results. My hair is super moisturized. It is defined. Like, look at this definition. Definition on point. So yeah, that is my wash day routine, cheating the deep conditioning part with TreLuxe products. If you guys are interested in buying these products, they are now available in Walmart. They're also in Walgreens as well, so you can check them out. I will have the link in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more product reviews, go ahead down to the comments and let me know what you want to see, and do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye.